Excuse me, can I have your attention, please, for one more time? She tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night, and it's all because she can't stop your diet, baby. You don't have to slim down. Slim down. I love your curves, and believe me, it is every pound.
So why cheerleading attire by Julia?
I like cheerleading attire because it makes me happy and it makes me feel like I'm a truly feminine.
English ang partner, oy. English club mo, mag-adjust ako na later. Okay. So, kinsa may kauban mo karon?
Ako sama ate.
Safe lang, kasi mo siya Bisaya. Okay, thank you so much, Julia. We have grabe ka back sa iyong pwesto. I mean, you can go backstage. Okay, thank you so much, Julia. Okay, next.
Nakakaaliw tuwing papalapit para kang bituin na nanginginig. Di masabing umiikot ang mundo. Sa minutong kaway matanaw ko. O kamahalan, puso ko'y iyong tangan. Sa iyong kagandahan, hindi makayanan. O kamahalan, puso ko'y iyong tangan. Pinagsisigawan sa kalawakan. Nagagalaw sa iyong harapan, aking bigyan mo ng pansin.
Number 1 is Julia Chacha. How are you feeling right now? Wow, English ka na partner. Okay, are you ready? Ready na ka, Julia? Okay, Sir Gabayan Julia is now ready. Question. What is your favorite snacks or food and why? Again, already twice. What is your favorite snacks or food and why?
Thank you for that beautiful question, ma'am. My favorite is chicken and rice because chicken is good and it makes me feel good and rice is healthy, so I want to be healthy and thank you.
Thank you so much. Chicken and rice.
Next, Inka. Kaiwalay langit, kundi si candidate number 3.
Ladies and gentlemen, our third runner-up goes to candidate number 5.
Like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. a diet, baby. You don't have to slim down. I love your curves and